Oh, you're a big spider. Ah! Ah!
Look, I'm going. Oh my god. Guys, making a TikTok. Alright, this is just, no.
Okay, what's up? So today's video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, it's a monthly subscription based box that you get, and you get baits delivered to your doorstep every single month. So I'm going to show you what's in this month's box. So first we got the Guggen Squad Scout, the Yo Zuri 3DB Knuckle Bait Spinner Bait, which I'm mostly excited about throwing, the Weston Rig Tees ST Standout Live Shot N, the Bass Dynasty Dyna Craw, I think I pronounced that right, I don't really know, Carl's Amazing Baits Varmint, and then the Carl's Stash Drop Shot Weights. So this is just the bait card. I'm going to put the total on the screen of how much everything in this box is worth. That is solely based off of what I'm reading off of this card and how much the baits are actually worth. So that's the total price right there on the screen, and you can get your first box for as low as $5 if you use my code, pop it up on the screen right now, Becca, B-E-C-C-A. Use my code, you can get a box just like I do every single month, and you can get your first box for $5, which is pretty sick. I don't know, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna go kayak fishing today, and just try to catch some fish, and I'm really excited about using that spinner bait, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I put the Carl's Amazing Baits as a trailer on my little finesse jig. This is like a natural color. And then I put one of these guys on a drop shot in my spinning combo. And then this is the spinner bait that I'm excited about with the little ball right here. You excited?
Yeah, that freaking spinner bait is cool.
Yeah, I'm souped. I want to see how well it works.
Very interesting. Yeah. It's literally just a ball, like what? So there's like wind and chop on the water, and this place has a lot of bait fish, so it's a little bait ball. I think it's, who makes it? Live Target, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might invest my money in getting one of those, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna stray retrieve it, no pause. No pause. Beep, beep. Got one. On the jerkbait. Oh, it's a stinking pickerel! Oh, no. Shake off, shake off. Come on. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You don't want it. Oh, come on, one treble left. Come on, get off. Come on, get off. One treble, come on, you have literally one treble hook. I hate dealing with these guys, man. But that's what happens when you throw a jerkbait in New England. You just get hammered by these guys. This is a dangerous situation, I can tell you that. You do not want to get hooked by literally barely hanging on. Pickerel. Oh, I was so souped. I was like, okay, maybe I'm on a pattern. No, I'm not on a pattern because I just got a pickerel. Hey, you want to go fishing? Yeah. You want to catch some pickerel? Yeah, man. Oh, you want to get a bird's nest too? Yeah, man, I'm down. I highly doubt I'm gonna catch anything over here, but I'm still gonna try. You never know. All right, there's another pond that connects to this pond, and Jake and I aren't having any more luck after our blitz in the beginning. Jake caught like 4 bass, and then I caught that pickerel, and the bite kind of stopped. So we're probably gonna head down this little canal and see if we can get to the other pond by this canal, because it's probably not overgrown right now. We'll see though. This is gonna be a long kayak paddle. Oh, turtle! Haha, I just saw a turtle. Did you just cast?
No.
Did you hear that big splash? Oh, turtle! Look how cute, Jake! Oh my god, he was adorable. Oh my god, another turtle! Jake! Turtle! Uh-oh. I don't know how much further we're gonna make it.
No, you can get through.
You think so? Oh, this is about to get crazy. How do you kayak paddle? Yeah, man, I'm out here trying. Jesus.
When you go buy something like this, it's like sticking out.
Yeah.
You should just kind of grab it and then break it.
Or I can karate chop it.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow. The amount of bugs all over this kayak is insane. Ugh. Oh, you're a big spider. Ah! Ah! Yeah, I just had a really nice looking spider on me. Holy crap, I didn't even, god damn it. I'm stuck, not gonna lie. I'm definitely a little, that tree, nice in front of me. We're just gonna have to, okay, and that's how you get a tree out of your way. Courtesy of Jake motivating me to do that. Thank you. I feel like this is Snake Haven. If I was a snake, this is exactly where I'd want to freaking, God! Oh my God. Oh, I see an opening. I hope I'm not scaring any of my turtle friends. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to really make this.
What?
I'm stuck on a log. I'm really stuck.
Power through it, boy.
I'm trying. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh, that was by far the most fun I've had in a while, not gonna lie. I do have about 1 million spiders on me. You think I could fit under there?
Yeah, you can.
What? What? Keeping my big hammer out in case I die.
Oh, Jesus.
What? Oh, did I? Dude, there's no way I'm fitting under here.
Yeah, you put the paddle like next to you and then like push the wall to push through.
What the heck? Oh my God.
Now, all we have to do is just hope that it's open enough in there that we can make it through.
I'm stuck. I'm quite stuck.
No, you're good. You can get through. Careful. Keep going, girl.
I can't. I literally can't.
No, you can.
Oh, no, I'm like, there's a bunch of rocks.
No, you can get through. I've done it before.
What the heck?
Dude, I'm telling you. I've done this. I know you can get through it.
How?
Cut back out and put your tip to the right.
Tip to the right. Wow, Jake, you're really getting scientific.
Just the tip, okay?
What the? Oh, why is my kayak not? It's just not working.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta be. I've done it before.
It's just like. All right, we're gonna full speed one more time. Try this. See, I'm just.
This is hilarious.
I don't know what to do. Christ, there's a big spider in here.
We'll just back out and then we can...
Cross the road?
I don't know. We can try and just drive over there. We just have to lug these down like a big hill. If you want to go to the smaller pond, we can. I mean, it's right there. So.
Well, it looks like if I push through, there's nowhere else for us to kayak after that.
Yeah, it gets tight, but like I don't know. I think you should be able to get through, but we'll just drive over there. It's fine.
I don't know. Give me one more.
This is good content, though.
This is. Oh yeah.
Goodbye, Becca.
Wait, you're leaving?
Goodbye.
Do not leave me in a dark, scary tunnel. I'm literally stuck. That's it. Yep. Jesus Christ. Am I out? Oh crap. Dude, how did nothing break?
How do you feel about that?
Honestly, I was just in a scary dark tunnel. I have about 1,000 spiders on me, but it could be worse, it could be worse. So there's that. I'm running into you.
Very scared.
I'm not scared. Yeah, the game plan is we basically came all the way here to make it to the other pond. Didn't work out. So now we're going back through all this stuff. Gonna load up the kayaks in the car and get to the other pond a different way, down a hill. So yeah. Okay, so I don't think I've ever done an outro like this where I didn't film an outro where I was fishing or the spot that I was at to kind of wrap up the video. As the day went on, I was like, okay, I haven't caught any big fish. I don't think this video is going to do well on YouTube because I didn't do anything crazy cool, and people like to see people catch big fish. That's the moral of the story. And then as I was looking over the footage, I was like, you know what? I think this is pretty cool. I went on an adventure today and I had fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know down below. Drop a like on this video, drop a comment, because I thought this video was really sick. I mean, you guys got to see me catch pickerel. But anyway, so I wanted to do an outro to this video besides just leaving you guys hanging. I wanted to tell you guys exactly what I was thinking, as well as touch base on two things. One, thank you Mystery Tackle Box for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys. They've supported my channel since day one, and I couldn't be more thankful for them. Second thing, so I get a lot of comments of people saying, hey, like, you need a new kayak. I get that comment a lot. So the yellow kayak that I use, I got it when I was 10, like 9 or 10, I don't know, but I've had it for a really long time, and it was like 150 bucks. I don't know, like 10 years ago, 10, 11 years ago when I bought it. So is it a good kayak? No. But does it get me to places most people can't get? Yes. Can I catch fish off of it? Yes. So the point I'm trying to get across is, if you're like a bank angler and you just want to take it to that next level, get a kayak. I mean, I got mine for 150 bucks, maybe 175 max, and I've been using it for so long and it does the job. So when I was bank fishing, I loved it, but it was always so nice to get on that kayak and get to those places most people can't get, even on a boat. So with that being said, I just want to throw that out there. I'm well aware my kayak isn't an unbelievable kayak. Yeah, I know, but I love my kayak and I've just had so many memories in it. But anyways, if you guys like videos like this, definitely let me know. It wasn't like planned by any means, but I have so many videos that I've never posted or never thought it was good enough to be posted, but for some reason I just thought today's video was really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to talk with you guys, sit down one-on-one and kind of tell you guys my thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because lately I've been coming up with some crazy video ideas. But with that being said, if you have any video ideas, definitely drop them down below and I'll consider them, obviously. But yeah, I have definitely some videos planned in my head. So stay tuned. But anyways, I'm going to close out the video here. Again, thank you to Mystery Tackle Box for sponsoring today's video, getting me out on the water, and getting stuck in a tunnel. It was a blast. Thank you guys so much for the view. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Of course, like the video, drop a comment. I'll be answering everyone's comment as always. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. So thank you if you stay tuned until the end of this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.